Is it important to clean the debris filter on my Samsung top-loading washing machine, and why?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into the importance of a task that many often overlook: cleaning the debris filter on your Samsung top-loading washing machine. This task is not only crucial for the lifespan of your appliance but also for the overall effectiveness of your washing cycles.
What is the debris filter?
The debris filter in your washing machine is a crucial component that captures any lint, coins, or other small items that might find their way into your wash load. It acts as a protective barrier, preventing these items from getting into the machine's inner workings where they could cause damage.
Why is cleaning the debris filter important?
There are several reasons why keeping your debris filter clean is so crucial. 1. Maintaining efficiency. Over time, the debris filter can become clogged with lint, small objects, or other residues from your wash load. When this happens, your machine's efficiency can decrease, leading to longer wash cycles or less thorough cleaning. 2. Preventing damage. If left unchecked, these obstructions can cause serious damage to your washing machine. This might lead to costly repairs or even a need to replace the entire unit. 3. Reducing odors. Unclean debris filters can often lead to unpleasant odors. These odors can transfer to your clothes, leaving them smelling less than fresh even after a wash.
How often should I clean my debris filter?
The frequency with which you should clean your filter largely depends on how often you use your washing machine. As a general rule, it is advisable to clean the debris filter every 1 to 2 months. However, if your machine is in heavy use, you might need to clean the filter more frequently.
How to clean the debris filter?
Cleaning the debris filter on a Samsung top-loading washing machine is a simple process that you can easily do at home. 1. Power off and unplug. Always start by switching off and unplugging your washing machine. Safety first. 2. Locate the debris filter. The location of the debris filter can vary depending on your model. It's usually found at the bottom or at the back of the machine. 3. Remove and clean. Once located, carefully remove the debris filter. Rinse it under warm water until it's clean. You can use a soft brush to remove any stubborn debris. 4. Dry and replace. After cleaning, ensure that the filter is completely dry before replacing it back into the washing machine. Remember, always refer to your specific model's user manual for exact steps. In conclusion, cleaning the debris filter on your Samsung top-loading washing machine is an essential maintenance task. It ensures the efficiency of your washing cycles, prevents potential damages, and keeps unpleasant odors at bay. We hope this guide will inspire you to make filter cleaning a regular part of your home appliance maintenance routine. Until next time, happy washing!